So this video, I'm going to talk about percentage multipliers, and what we mean by that is a number that we can use to multiply to another number to find different percentages of that number. So for example, to find 50% of any number, I can multiply that number by 0.5. And I think it's quite easy to convince yourself of that. Think of 20, for example. If I want to find 50% of 20, I need to do 20 times 0.5. And you can check by doing 20 times 0.5, you will actually get 10, which is 50% of 20. And then to find 10%, you multiply by 0.1. To find 34%, 0.34. And you can see the other ones as well. To find 2%, 0.02. To find 100%, you multiply by 1. Okay, so to find 100% of 30, for example, 100% of 30 is 30. So if I did 30 times 1, that will give me 30. To find 123% of any number, I multiply by 1.23. So you can see the 0.23 has been added onto the 1. And to find 103.5%, I multiply by 1.035. Now, I'm going to do some examples to show you how to use this. So if I want to find 50% of 24 using multipliers, what I need to do is I need to do 24 times 0.5, because 0.5 is the multiplier I use to find 50% of any number. And that will give me 12. Now, in the next one, I need to increase £34 by 2%. If I increase £34 by 2%, it's like I'm finding 102% of £34, okay? And the multiplier for 102% would be 1.02. So I'm going to do 34 times 1.02, and that will give me £34 and 68 pence. And the next one, I've got decrease £80 by 15%. So if I decrease an amount by 15%, it's like finding 85% of that amount, because 85% and 15% together makes 100. So 15 less than 100 is 85. So to find 85% of 80, what I have to do is I have to do 80 times 0.85, and this will give me 68. And these are some examples, okay? So here I'm talking about increasing. So you add the 2% onto the 100%, that will give you 102%. And the multiplier for that is 1.02. Here I'm decreasing 80 by 15%. And if I decrease by 15%, I'm finding 85%. So the multiplier is 0.85. Now here are some for you to try. In this last question, I've asked you to do two things. So increase £30 by 10%, then decrease your answer by 10%. And then you need to explain your answer to 7A, stating whether or not you expected this answer.